If your Hamptons vacation starts to exhaust you, you might consider a break right here at Gurney's Spa. Now, this is actually the only spa in the entirety of the Hamptons that's right on the beach. Come with us and let's check it out. Now, this spa just underwent a $20 million renovation during the pandemic when most spas were divesting, getting a little bit concerned about their business. This one went in. Gurney Spa claims to have the only ocean-fed seawater pool in all of North America. Their fitness center provides great views of the beach, featuring all the branded machinery and weights you could ever need. If the temperature outside isn't to your liking, you can pick one of the many temperature-controlled baths. While getting your spa treatment, you'll be in an indoor-outdoor suite overlooking the Atlantic Ocean. I'm about to get a facial with Erin, who is kindly walking me through all of these steps.
We're going to work on the matricelle visage, which is very sculpting and lifting. So it's going to give you a nice, beautiful glow afterwards.
Oh my God, that smells amazing. Wow.
Hey, you're all set.
Erin, thank you so much. That was amazing. I feel younger and just very relaxed. The ocean view isn't bad either, so cheers to you, Erin. Cheers. Thank you so much.